Judge, filming ready? You gotta film at a different angle?
I'm ready. Nick said get the leg. Ready? All right.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Go, Eric, go! Come on, babe! Get it!
You get cheat after the third try.
Yeah, babe, yeah!
Go, Eric, go! Come on, you can do it! Nice job, babe.
That's Team Montana.
Yay!
I don't think I really got one out. I just took a big bite out of it. You took a bite out of it?
I was a little bit too excited, and I bit right through the apple.
Good job, babe.
You bit right through the apple.